Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the rig and initiating the control sequence. Park ideally within 1 degrees level and set the parking brake. Once done, switch the ignition to accessory and enable manual jack control so you can command each leg. Next, cycle power to the leveling module by disconnecting 12V for about 30 seconds. This clears transient errors. While power is off, visual inspect jacks for binding or debris. Make sure moving parts operate freely before you restore power and continue. Now, you manually calibrate travel limits to teach the controller. Extend each jack slowly to its full travel, then retract to its home position, watching for proper limit switch engagement. This ensures the control sees accurate endpoints. Once each leg is cycled, enter the control panel's calibration or emergency retract mode and follow prompts to accept current positions. Make sure to wait for each confirmation tone before moving the next leg, because the controller needs stable inputs to relearn accurately. Finish by running a full automatic leveling cycle to verify the reset. Watch for smooth, even movement and listen for abnormal noises. If the system completes without errors, check the control panel for any remaining codes and clear them so future diagnostics are clean. If the jacks behave unevenly or faults persist, stop and inspect wiring, fuses, limit switches, and attitude sensors. Rerun manual calibration after repairs. Remember, recurring errors often point to a bad sensor or intermittent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.